What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa.
Mom have fixed my baby hair. I don't think I did them right this time. I've been here so long. I just finished my hair.
They wasn't supposed to kiss and fight, but you know, when you get drunk and they like, I ain't about to stop nobody.
Y'all know, let nobody take my goddamn chick for weeks in a row. That's why I'm sitting back here.
Well, can I get paid in class?
Yeah, bitch, don't keep asking goddamn down $25. I was finna eat my chicken wings, but it keep being a line. Bitch.
Well, why did you like that?
You know what's sad? I'm gonna have to give them all these 20s. Alright, babe. Sean Ram. Oh, my bad.
I'm waiting on batteries, y'all.
Sorry.
I'm gonna do that anyway.
My bad.
Good.
This is right here.
Good. Fine now.
I got you down. I know y'all trying to load. I don't have an answer for that at the moment. Y'all gonna have to wait. I'm sorry.
Damn. You trying to pay them?
I got you. I gotta go for
Okay.
Where you going? Keep in my bag till I fall asleep. I said, all right, come on, lay down.
Okay, so I changed plans. My plan was to actually I can't think right now. So I took my wig off and I have like a big glue stain here. I'm going to go to another party. Like I told you guys, I do music. So go ahead and follow my music channel. I've made friends dancing and I've also made friends doing music. But I can get ready for this next party. The next party that we're going to is Rap City. And if you guys are following my music channel, you would know that I also have done open mics at Rap City. So we'll go in the Palace Lounge again, but this time I'm gonna be dancing. They need dancers. They know that I dance, so we're going to Palace Lounge tonight, and then tomorrow I have to get ready for Tipathon. Plan was to do both today. I literally rolled out of bed and got here. Right now, I actually want to do some promotion for Tipathon because nobody really knows me here. Like outside of like what I do for music and what I do for dance, nobody really knows me here. So my plan is to just get some paper flyers from FedEx and pass them around all day tomorrow. I have to go get my hair done tomorrow, and then I have a lot of things I have to do tomorrow. So while I'm going around and doing those things, I want to be able to promote all day long. And since it's like the day of, I think doing the paper flyer thing is not too abrasive. So when people ask you, oh, when is it? Oh, it's today. And if they're doing something, that's fine. At least I know right then and there that face is not a possibility for me. It should be fun because there's like other girls that I'm dancing with who are very well known in the city. So like, to be honest with you, I only know definitely 2 people are coming here for me. I've seen 2 people with tickets. 2 people that physically ordered off of the website myself for them. Other than that, I don't know who's coming for me. So I'm gonna pass out tickets for myself with my flyer on it and ask them to come if they want to come. And plus, I'm gonna be looking good tomorrow. People are gonna want to talk to me, okay? And every single time, if they don't want to see me tomorrow, they don't need to talk to me. I don't care. If they don't want to see me tomorrow, the day of, that's just how I feel. If you don't love me like that, oh, you really like me that, come here tonight and show love to everybody, because that's what I want to feel like. Like, I feel like this year so many people have given me so much love. Like, why not continue doing that trend of showing me love? And I gotta get gas. I'm gonna be looking good tomorrow, passing out these flyers. I'm gonna be looking so good tomorrow, and I'm gonna be going everywhere. I'm gonna have a day, okay? I'm gonna get my hair done, I'm going to get my makeup done, and every single person who tries to talk to me, I don't care if you're at the gas station, I don't care if you're at a grocery store, I don't care, wherever I'm at, I know I look good, and I'm gonna pass out these flyers. And I'm not going to feel ashamed about it, because it's just a party. Because outside of dancing and music, nobody knows that I'm here. And that could be a problem. That could be a problem sometimes. It could be lonely sometimes. And sometimes I feel like it's beneficial, because like, I can introduce myself to people. I don't have to have people telling my story. I can tell my story. I don't have to have anyone really assume anything about me other than what they see in front of them. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and go to FedEx and get the flyers.
Like, what size flyer are you needing? Because are you needing full sheet flyers? They're not sized to, I mean, it depends on what you need, but they're currently sized, they're different sizes actually.
Make them both this size, the smaller size?
Yeah, I can. It's a fee to do that, but you know your time is covered, right?
Time is covered. What does that
Those
mean?
doors open at what?
10 a.m.
It's covered over there too. I'm shipping it back.
That's fine. It's okay.
How many do you need?
How much is 200?
You want them on cardstock or just paper?
Cardstock.
I'll be back, okay?
What's up, you guys? It's Raven Goddess. I am at Pal's Lounge right now, and I ain't gonna cap. I'm gonna need some prayer for this cat. This hair is on with just spray. It is not sewn down in the back, because I'm getting my hair redone tomorrow by Ty. So if you guys are in the Atlanta area and you guys need your hair done, I will put her link in the description box below. Go ahead and check her out. I'm gonna be getting my hair done with her tomorrow, because tomorrow is Tipathon. I did go and get the flyers, so here's what one of the flyers look like. This is the front, this is the back. I literally pulled these pictures off of Instagram, so like I didn't realize that it still had this thing on there, but anyway, this is what the flyer looks like. Tipathon has one of my pictures and some of the girls that's on their picture. I'm just gonna be passing these out all night, because I don't really know nobody here. From what I read in our group chat, the sections are already sold out, so like anyone who's coming for me is not gonna be able to get a section anyway. But I do want to get my name out there, since I am here making music, and I do want to like have some sort of an audience out here, since it's where I dance. Hopefully someone finds me at Tipathon. I have 2 people definitely I know bought a ticket. Should be fun. Not like I'm gonna be partying by myself, you know. I'm gonna finish putting on this wig and getting dressed. I still have to do my eyelashes. I wanted to straighten this hair a little bit, but there's no plug in here. The plug is out by the bar. And if I have to, I will go by the bar, but I kind of don't want to. I'm gonna fix the side of my face. I'm gonna fix my face, fix my hair, and I'll come back out to you guys when I'm dressed, because we're not allowed to get naked. I'm not about to wear anything that's like see-through or anything, so I'll be able to record myself because it's just going to be like, you know, swimsuit wear and things like that. You can't get naked in this bar, so this is not the strip club. This is a regular bar that they have dancers at sometimes. Sometimes I'm one of those dancers. See you guys in a minute.
Should've never promised, but I promised to get out. So I took the paper route, chose the paper route. If I took some that job done, we can't work it out. She won't go my way, I probably take another route. Name always in the news, cause I chose the paper route. Some niggas in my hood feel like I already made it out. I still be in them trenches like the fuck you talking about.
I got rich in the tree, no cap. Keep me on extension. I threw my she tryna free me, feel like a free to big on the lead. If he thinks she's sweet, pay a couple G's with feet. I perform the lean, roll out the block with me. Ain't crack what she already means. LeBron like switching teams. No shit, and I see me. Play more funnies and mean. And I try to look at the screen. She got a song that's pretty, better got some on the team. I think I know what they hit. Damn, my wedding, y'all. I'm tryna afford the latest. I ain't the fast for it. They try to pass me. She done asked, she didn't ask me. Don't ruin my vibe, dog. Then they don't fight, dog. Then they keep fighting, fuck. Ain't let me slide, dog. You gonna be, you with the C. She tryna free me. Feel like a 3P. I need no 2 hoes. Hand me a 3P. I got VS diamonds. You feel it cheap. My niggas need deep. You like it tweet. She don't like her sex. She like to eat. On the 3D slime. I hope my nigga don't lie me. I'ma cut a live on time. Nigga wanna say can't buy me. I need a lady with ice. Go to the egg that I hate. I don't even shake, I'm shaking. She be fresh, she feisty. One year from me, he better again. He wanted me, but I wanted a friend. He got the lead if I wanted.